This short guide explains how to buy shares of Austin Gold Corp and provides basic context about the company. Austin Gold Corp is a mineral exploration firm that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AUST. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AUST to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the result that corresponds to Austin Gold Corp on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Double-check the name and ticker AUST before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the trade may execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft call to action. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow this process step by step.